got the notification from your computer that your computer is struggling with some security related problems, sir. And we are getting notification regarding it, so that's why you are getting this call from us.
Hold it, yeah, that's serious. I gotta put down my phone. Wait a minute.
The new school with the Hanwell School with a couple of others.
Put down my radio. Okay, so you say there's a problem with my computer?
Yes, sir.
What's the problem?
There's some lots of Microsoft application and security system are getting stopped performing, sir, which is very essential part of this computer, which should be running, sir, all the time, till the time you own this computer. But unfortunately, sir, they are not running at this moment, sir. They are getting stopped performing. So that's why, sir, your computer is struggling with some security related problem. And we are getting notification regarding it. So that's why we are calling you, Mr. Lovelace.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, what can we do?
So, sir, I just request you, sir, please take your time and be at the computer first, sir. Alright. And once your computer should be on, please let me know.
Okay, wait a minute.
Okay.
Yep, okay. Get it.
Okay.
Now what?
Now is it on, sir?
Yep,
Is it on?
yep.
What do you have on the screen, sir? Can you see all the regular icons of your computer?
Yep, all my icons, yep.
Read me the icon's name, sir.
What's that?
Read the icon's name. Read the icon's name one by one.
Well, it says I got all my icons, all my files, or all my files are all there.
Yeah, you have to read me. Read the icon, sir, one by one.
Okay, wait a minute. Well, wait a minute. It says recycle and my file and
Yeah.
my file where my pictures are.
Okay.
Film and TV, photos. That's all.
And
That's it.
that's all you have?
That's all I have.
Okay. No worries, sir. Just look at your keyboard, sir. You need to concentrate your keyboard. On the very extreme left-hand side bottom corner, there is a CTRL key, sir. The control key. Can you see that? The control.
Yes.
And next to that, sir, what do you have?
Oh, I have the FN and Windows.
Okay, no worries, sir. You need to press and hold the Windows key, sir, with one finger. Then hit the letter R, sir. R for Robert at the same time.
Windows and A. Alter.
And R key, sir.
Oh,
R as in Romeo.
Okay. Wait a
Is
minute.
that?
Wait 1 second.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Got it.
Now what comes up, sir, on the screen?
It says go fuck yourself.
मालूम नहीं.
How can some people get caught with this shit?